Ipa-try ko to kay Dion. Lagyan natin ng eggs para marami. Sushi? Sushi ka pala nga. Hot?
Tell me all of the ingredients that you put in it.
Only this one and egg.
No, actually. Be honest. I'm sure.
Oh, salt and pepper.
What was the first one?
The corned beef. And then egg. Salt and pepper.
Mom, only if we had mini DJI mics just over here.
For the ASMR.
Yeah.
Are you gonna finish assembling your toy? No. I have a driving lesson tomorrow, so do you want Nai to come?
Yeah.
I will message her. Sobrang busog ako mga langga, so mag-tea tayo. Mag-tea lang muna tayo. Busog ako. Hindi ko marami yung nakain ko, pero nabusog. And then maghugas ako after. Green tea sana mga langga, kaso naubusan na pala kami ng green tea, so yung normal tea na lang. Yung brand niya yun. So, ito lang. Para hindi magiging bloated yung chan ko. Kasi nakakatulong siya yung tea. Bakit kaya ganon? Sa akin lang ba? So, it's gonna be like a lazy Monday morning. Pero, may gagawin ako para i-upload ko sa Black app ko. Kasi maraming nagtatanong doon. So, practice muna ako sa crafting ko, yung paggawa ng mga keychain and mga bag charms. So, mag-practice muna ako. Then, baka mag-open ako ng, ewan ko, titingnan ko muna mga langga kung anong mga requirements, kung ano ba ako, anong tawag nan? Ayan pala, yung tamang term is eligible. Pero, nag-message naman sa akin yung app na eligible naman ako. So, i-study ko muna kung anong kailangan gawin. Pero mag-practice muna ako sa mga crafts ko. Kasi ang nakaganda dito mga langga, mga tao doon is very, sila, yung, anong tawag na, engaging. Marami ding nagtatanong sa akin, nagdi-DM kung saan ba nila mabibili yung mga ginagawa ko. Kasi, ayun nga, nagagandahan din naman sila. Okay mga langga, inom lang ako ng tea and then maghugas and then I will start the crafting. Naiinis na ako ng mga flies na pumapasok sa bahay. Kaya yan. Open lang ng konti ng door at nag-ano na sila. Diyan na muna yan. And let's wash the dishes.
Do you have photo comments? Show me if you do. I don't know.
Just later. Let me finish this one.
This could be on your account to see if you could post photos in the comments.
Ah. Okay.
You and me on the East Coast, 23 in my dreams. Is she real though? Summer night, we're dancing real slow. Cherry bliss on your lips, pull me in close. I think I'm falling in love again.
So, ito ay yung nagawa ko mga langga. I don't know if it's clear. And then, ito. Ilagay ko siya dito. And I think I'm just gonna cut this another one as well for the other one. I don't have Cricut, kaya mano-mano. So, mag-cut muna ako nito. First, my scissor. And then, mag-ano ako. Yan, hindi siya perfect. Hindi perfect, but it's alright. Ang gulo ng crafting area ko mga langga. I need to sort this out. But not today. One day. Gusto ko maglagay ng glitters doon sa isa. But let's see. Parang hindi naman siya, clear or something. But it's alright. Okay, let's start crafting. And I need to video it. So setup is like this. Ayan. I will not wear my glasses because my glasses is only for far away yung distance. And pag malapit na ganyan, pag nag-glasses ako, hindi ako masyadong nakakita. Though it's bifocal naman to, pero hindi pa rin ako sanay. So I will not wear it. I'm gonna set up and then I'll just do like that. You got it? You got it?
No,
What's
not really. The thumb.
Oh, the thumb. The only problem is the thumb now.
And no, not just the thumb, the springs too. There's meant to be springs on the bottom, but I removed them because there's no use.
Mm.
Pull me out of my bed. Sleepless nights, I'm chasing silhouettes. Counting sheep, baby, is it morning yet? Lost in your eyes, half the time I get a little bit out of my mind, so I'll keep dreaming. skies in my headspace. Intertwined state of mind, feel my heart race. Been so long since I've seen your face. Pull me close, want you most. You're my favorite place. Are we falling in love again? Was it all in my head?
Okay.
It's like you in Nintendo Sports. You keep on striking me. What was that? I mean, that's what you said.
Sleepless nights, I'm chasing silhouettes, counting sheep babies. In your eyes, half the time I get a little bit out of my mind, so I'll keep dreaming.
Mga langga, let's drink coffee. I'm drinking black coffee. Feel ko lang mag-black coffee today. Anyway, yung ano pala, yung shuttlecock mga langga na punta sa kabilang bakod. At nakuha naman namin. And then sabi ko ka sa batuta na mag-stop muna tayo kasi nga mahangin. Kaya ayun. And after nito mga langga, magbihis lang ako dahil may Zumba. May Zumba kami later, 5:15. Ayun. So, 5:15? Hindi yata. 6:15, not 5. Loka. Oo. So yun, susunduin na naman ako ng friend namin. Scottish. Kaya hindi ako makapag video kasi nahihiya ako. Anyway, so yun lang ang ganap. Saka na ako magluto ng dinner namin after ng Zumba. So ayan. Bukas yung Zumba naman is 7 o'clock. So, mag-dinner muna kami bago ako mag-Zumba. Kasi hanggang 8 o'clock bukas. So, I think I'm gonna end my vlog mga langga. See you again next time. Ta-ta!
That was quite good, though.
No remote detonator. The bomb's still in play. Where's that bomb?
Out of my mind, so